Uh, yeah, because I want to share a video with you. That's why. Yeah, we can do it. We can do it. What we say, the private also, if you want.
Private.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So I was thinking if I put it on, like on YouTube, and if I it will help me to get some more students from the YouTube. So it will be also good because my channel is related to the Python and AI.
But I don't know. I'm kind of like not comfortable with like having it on YouTube, so I prefer to keep it like as a private.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, thank you.
So I will do one thing. I will keep this playlist, the whole playlist, private. Okay.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So let's start. And okay. So what we were doing last time. Okay. So this session is for 1.5 hour, right?
Yes, yeah. So since we missed like two sessions, so I mean, if you like, let's go fast. And another thing, since I know Java, so let's go like do it fast. If I have anywhere like want to be slow, I will ask you. I have problem in this part, so let's do it a little slow. Is that okay
Okay.
with you?
Yeah. Yeah. Fine. Fine. Okay. Let's do the all topic very fast. And
Mm-hmm.
okay. Okay. Fine. Let me start here from the variable.
Mm-hmm.
Today we have to do the variable.
And also, if we can use Visual Studio instead of the
Oh yeah,
uh,
yeah, Visual
oh,
Studio. Yes, okay.
yeah.
Just 1 minute. Let me close this Visual Studio code.
If you're sharing a screen, I don't see it, sir.
Yeah, okay, okay. Just 1 minute. Yeah, I'm sharing the screen
Okay.
now. Can you see it now? Okay. So what we can do? You can see my screen, right?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay. So we can write here Python 2026. Let me tell you how we can make the notebook in VS.
Yeah, correct.
So I made a folder in my computer, so you can make that. And yeah. So now what you can do, you can make the files into it. Okay, like suppose we are practicing, so you can write my practice file dot ipynb. Ipynb means Python notebook. So if you will make like this, then it will create a note.
So is that the extension?
Yeah, it is extension
Okay.
ipynb.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
So
you went to the Visual Studio. You click on the explore.
yeah, first of all, you can create the you can create a file. So the folder on your
Yeah, I
computer.
create. Mm, yeah, I
After
did.
the folder, you can create the file with this button, new file.
Okay. So
Okay, so it's ipynb. Your name of the file ipynb.
okay. Okay. So
Okay, so let's start the coding and let me give you example. So you can write here print, can say hello, it's working. Let's run it, and you can use. We choose this base Python 311. This one. I have installed Python in my computer. Do you have Python in your computer? Yes, yes, yes. Have you installed it? Okay, so you have to install first. Let me, yeah. So I will just 1 minute. Let me do with my first connecting to kernel based Python, activating Python environment. Current version 3.1.11, latest 1.11.9 is downloading something. Downloading update, Visual Studio update. Wait, let me try with the hello, it's working. Yeah, see, it's working now, right? So you can see this is my code. Yeah, hello, it's working. This is my code. It's working. See this, right? Okay, so let me. Okay, you want to share your screen, right? Let's download it on your computer. Yeah. I think you have a lot of softwares or a lot of media, photos, videos in your computer. That's why I think. Okay, take your time, no problem. Mm-hmm. Wait, let me see. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Something is sharing. Yes. Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. It's just showing, the blank white the full screen. It's not. It's not. Can you share it again? Because I think it's just showing your name. That's it. Just choose the entire screen to share. Mm, now I still. Okay, stop the screen share once. First of all, stop it, and then when. Yeah, yeah. Now it stopped. Okay, now you can share again. Okay, but here I am not able to. Yeah, 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 yeah. Now I can see. Yes, now I can see. Yes. Okay. Yeah, it's got. Yes. So open it. Yeah, yeah. So simply open it. Which Python it is? Like, where did you from where did you download this one? No, wait, let me see. Python manager. No, no, I think not. This is not the file. Go to the Python website. Yeah, just write download Python. Yeah, first website. Okay, now there is go to download section. Yeah, so there is or go to standalone installer. Can you see Python 3.14 standalone second button? Yeah, yeah, this one. Click it. Yes. Now open this setup which is opening, downloading. Okay, now choose the both checkbox. Wait. Yes, both the checkbox, and then press install. Just give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. हेलो. तो कल कल होगा ना बंद हो तो. हाँ. हाँ. Yeah. Okay. So install. Yeah. Till then, you this the one folder and a file. So yeah, my practice file dot I T Y, yeah, N B notebook, and N B, N फिर N means new, B means book. Yeah, this one. Yes. Now you can start the coding in it and okay. Yeah. Wait. Now wait. Let's Yes, you are correct. This computer is slow. Yes, I can see. Okay, no problem. Which processor it is? Which processor? i5 or i7 processor? Yeah. Oh, AMD. Which AMD Ryzen? Which one? Five. Oh, okay, fine. Yeah, Ryzen 5 is still good. Like Ryzen 5 is still good. How much RAM it is? I think 6 core, 12 logical, Dell, and 255 years. Go down, scroll down. Yeah, here it's RAM is 16 GB. Oh my god, it's very nice. 16 GB is very good, but still I don't know why it's very slow. I think you have very heavy softwares. Like which softwares you are having? You have very big softwares, I guess, in your computer. That's why it's lagging. Do you have antivirus? Something like that? Yeah, that's why. Antivirus makes the computer slow. Yes, later on you can remove the antivirus, like you can stop the antivirus because Windows already have its own antivirus, so you don't have to install. And McAfee, okay, but still the Windows has its own, it has its own defender, antivirus defender, so you don't have to. Oh my god. Okay, so your processor fan is damaged. So there is no the laptop is not working. Okay, but I think because fan always works, and I don't think it will never get damaged. Okay, if ever you will find that alert, must show me. Okay, because I will think what can be done. Okay, apps removed while resetting your PC. Cisco, WebEx meeting, Git, Gmail, Drive. Oh my God, all important apps it removed. Workbench, YouTube. Oh, I think you need to show it to the expert, the any because despite being having a 16 GB RAM is like working little bit slow, and so you don't have that WebEx and all that softwares you don't have right now, right? Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, okay, okay. Then I think any someone who does the hard way setup was successful. Yeah. But right now it's like working fine now. Like it's okay. The speed is fine. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Notepad, Workbench. Yeah, right now. That's it. Okay, maybe close all of them. Okay, only the few will open. Need to be open. Okay, so yeah, make the okay notebook is made and code and run it. Okay, can you make it a little bit bigger? Like press the control and plus together. Control and plus. Yeah. One more time. Yes. Now it's okay. Yes. Now it's Python class to run it. Install image extension Jupyter browse marketplace or kernel extension. First one. Yeah. Click the first one. Install and enable. Yeah. This one. Yeah. Just wait now. No, 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 no. Let's fix this first. Let's install everything. Installing Python extension. Yeah, actually, there was a lot of problem. Storm, and you can say the light issue, electricity issue. So we were going through it. Yeah. Oh, okay. We- okay. Snow is still better because right now, like it's very hot over here, like 40 degrees. Yes, a lot. That's why. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, I was teaching one of the student from California yesterday, and it was showing 20 degrees there. So the temperature there is still very fine at your place. Okay. Oh, okay, fine. Virginia is a little bit colder. Oh, summer. Okay. So right now I think in India it's summer. What about there? Oh, okay. So when you will get the summers? Yeah, yeah, June. Okay. Okay. Installing Python extension. It's like okay, so yeah, it is installing it. Okay, shall I move forward and it will whenever it is done, then you can tell me, right? Yeah, yeah. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. You can stop. Okay. Okay, so this one, variables, right? So you must have done this, in a very programming language, other programming language, variables. So variables are container for storing data values. So how do you make variables? So you just write the command x is equals to 5 or y is equals to John, something like that, and you can print it, print x and y. So this is how we do the variables. Yes, but in let me run this. Let me show you how we do the variables. X is equals to 12, and then you can print x, C12, right? This is how it works. Hope you are able to see my codes very well, right? The fonts is fine. Okay. All right. Just one. Let let it move down. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So the Python variable names. So there is a few rules which we have while we are working with the Python variable. So these are the do's and these are the don'ts. Okay. So these things we have to do. So you can name a variable with all the small letters. It's fine. You can keep it like all the letters in a small letter. This is valid. If there is some two words, you can put it underscore between it. This is also valid. Okay. Second is you can start the name of the variable with the underscore, which is also valid. Okay. So and if you are using the combination of small letters and capital letters, okay, that is also fine. And capital letters and small letters, that is also fine. And if you are using the combination of all the capital letters, that is also fine while naming the variables. And if you are using the combination of numbers and alphabet, that is also fine. Okay. So six ways you can make the variable. Okay, and these are things you don't have to do. Okay. So like starting the variable with a number, any number, it is not allowed. And making a variable with a dash or any special character inside the variable name, not allowed. Okay. And the variable name with a space. Okay, variable name with some space is also not allowed. Okay, fine. So these are the some rules. Okay. Okay. Now I will ask you some question like, tell me if I write my school, is it valid or not? This one. Okay. First of all, this is not correct because this variable is not correct because it's having dash. You have to remove it, and rest of things is fine because it's single quote and double quote you can use it both of them. Okay. Now, if I say I use the this name of the variable, so do you think it's valid or not? Yes, correct. Okay. If I say that I'm using the at the rate in the beginning, so do you think it's valid? Yeah, special character. If I put the space, then yes, it should. So we have to remove the space. Correct. Okay. So yeah, these are the some. Okay, what if I make it capital? Yeah, it's fine. Yes. So these are the some rules. Okay. So you don't have to do this, and you can do this one. Okay. Now reserved keyword. So what is reserved keyword? So see, these are of the words which you can never use as a name of a variable because these words are having some kind of work in the Python. So yeah, so they are some kind of functions, so you can never use this. Okay. For example, suppose I'm using this as a variable name. I'll show you. Else is equals to 12. See, if I run it, it is error. It is saying invalid syntax, right? So we can never use it. These words. You don't have to remember this. Basically, whenever you keep on practicing Python, gradually you will be able to learn all this. Okay. Yeah. So this was the very simple example of variables. And okay, let me name. Suppose you can name John. And do you know the concatenation in Python or the variables? Oh, sorry, the in the Java, know that how to show the like any variables with a sentence. Okay, so name is, and if you want to show any variable, you have to put the comma and the variable, right? Like this. My name is John. So you have to use variable after the comma to join the variable and the sentence. Yes, plus I think plus also works here. Yes, it also works here. Yeah. So, but usually we try this because maybe if you are using plus and if this is some number, then it will try to add and it won't be able to do it, so it will be error. So it's better we use comma, right? Okay, so that is concatenation. This is how we use. Okay, let me show you the data types, right? So do you know data types, and do you have how many data types does the Java have? Hmm. Okay, yeah. So same in the Python also we are having some of the in programming data types is an important concept. Variables can store data of different types, and different types can do different things. Okay, so we are having some, we can say, data types is string, integer, float, boolean. Yeah, four of them. Okay, so let me tell you what is string, integer, float, boolean, all this. Okay, if we are dealing with the number, so they will be either integer or either in float, right? So what is integer? Integer means any number, like x equals to 1, or it could be very big number, or any number, negative, positive, all numbers, right? That is integer. Okay, so but float is also number, but this is something with a decimal, right? Like 1.1, 1.0, 35.5, something like this, right? So what is the difference between integer and float? Yes, yes, correct. Okay, now strings. So strings in Python are surrounded by either single quotation or double quotation. Single quote, see, single quote or double quote, you can use both in the Python. Okay. If anything is inside this quotation, then that is called string. Even if it is number, for example, if you do my data is equals to, suppose you are having number. If you check the data type, if you use type of my data, then it will show you string. Even if it is number, but it is inside the double quotation, it will be string. Fine. This type. This type is a function used to find out the type of your variable. Find out the data type of your variable. Uh, just if you will give the just variable name like this, so it will just show you the actual value, not the data type. It will find out the data type of your variable. Yeah, data type. Okay, so okay. Let me add any name here. Like yes, is called and C. It's a string, right? Still, it is a string. If you are finding it difficult, I can put it in a different. Yeah, so this will help you find out the type, and this will help you to find out the actual value. Okay. Okay, that is the string. Okay, now what is Boolean? Boolean is like true or false. Okay, so basically, like if you are making any variable like this, like is the person graduated? If you store in it true, and if you print it, print is graduate, it is showing true, right? So true and false, you have to write it without quotation. That is, this is the Boolean. And if you will find out the type of this, what do you think will be the type of this? Yes, correct. Boolean, right? If you false, it will be also Boolean, right? Okay. So yes. So how many data types you are having? We are having string, integer, float, and Boolean. Four. Okay. So what is string? Yeah. What is string? Which is a single quotation or double quotation? Which is inside the single quote or double anything between single quote or double string. Okay, and what is Boolean? Yes, correct. Okay, now let's move to this topic of typecasting. Do you have any idea what is typecasting? Inheritance, not the, that is different. Okay, so this is the type conversion. Okay, so type conversion means, let me show you first why we need the type conversion. First, suppose you are having, and the x is something like this, 12, and y is something like this, 15. Range x plus y. What do you think will happen here? Yes, correct. 1 2 5 1 2 1 5. So it's not adding, right? It's just joining them, right? So this is the problem. So if I want to join it, sorry, if I want to add it, what I can do? So basically, we can say you have to use the type conversion there. Okay. So what is type conversion? Type conversion is like converting from one data type, like you can say string, and you converting into another, like string to integer or integer to string, or float to integer or anything, like you can convert from one to another. Okay, that is type conversion. Here we want to convert to what? Yes, yes. So if you want to convert into integer, you have to use integer function. Okay. If you want to convert to float, you use float function. If you want to do it string, it should. If you want to convert to boolean, it will be boolean function. Fine. Okay, let me show you how to do it. So you have to, and you do integer, this one, integer. So it will both will be converted and stored, and then you can add. See, it's working now. Right. Okay, so this is how it works. So you can convert, yeah, you have to use integer function to convert into integer. You can use the float, or you can use the string to convert into string, right? Okay, now just 1 minute. How can I wanted to give you some, like small exercises also. So how can I give you that? Okay, so I will give you on the WhatsApp. Okay. Yeah, you must practice that. It will be not too much, but a little bit. Fine. Okay. Operators. All right. So let's do the operator today, and yeah, operator. So shall we do operators today, or like we can do it next time, because it's already 1 hour, and I want to keep it 1 hour only right now. Is it fine? Yeah. Because 1 hour, because I'm teaching 1 hour is like a lot of efforts. So let's put it only 1 hour right now, and later on, like next time we can do 1 hour again, or 1.5 that time. Yes, yes, yeah. This is, yes, correct. You can increase the like the number of days. Yes, so you can decide. Yeah, yeah. You can choose any one more day, weekdays. Yes, that's correct. Timing. choose, like the Indian, the night time of India, because like your 11 a.m. or 12 a.m., that is also fine with me. Yeah, yeah. Okay, I'm sending you the, this, what we say, the exercise what you have to do for this one, okay, on the WhatsApp. All right. Anything else you want to tell me? No, thanks, thanks. Okay, fine. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We'll cover. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But still, Python a little bit different. Like still, I have to tell you. Otherwise, maybe later on we'll see that it's different. So yeah, that's why I'm telling you each and everything. Yeah, yeah. Actually, Java is little bit hard, and Python is very simple. See, you can see, like, even if you are making a variable, you don't have to give the data type before it, because I remember in JavaScript, if you are making an integer variable, you have to write int x is equals to 12, something like that, right? Yeah, system dot print out, and it's very different. Yes, yes. Okay, yeah. Have a good day. Yeah, I'll send you the question. Yeah, have a good day. See you soon. Bye.